So hey guys, iMAT here. In today's video I've got my hands on the DT camera glasses. So let's go ahead and take a first look on it. So here is the box. Its model name is AI Smart Glasses DT H03. Let's unbox it. But before that, if you look at the box, it comes with Wacom voice, real-time translation, shooting, artificial intelligence, call support, music control, and also touch control. So let's take our first look on the glasses. We have this pouch right here. We're gonna be taking a look at it later in the video. Here we also get clear glasses, and here's the polishing cloth and the user manual. If you check out this box, it probably comes with the charger. Let me get it out. Here it is. Yes, it comes with 2-pin magnetic charger. Now let's take a look at the glasses. Here is the pouch. And here are the glasses. It comes with black glass, and as I showed you earlier, you can also use clear glass on it. So we have the camera and the flashlight right here. Then here are the speakers, the magnetic charging points, and we also have microphone on it. This right here is the gestures area, and we also have 2 buttons on it. This one is probably to turn it on, and this one can be used for the other commands. So I heard a sound, meaning that they are turned on. Let's take a look at the user manual to check out the application they are using. Is it the same like the other models I reviewed, the Hey Cyan application? Yes, it is. It's the Hey Cyan application. Let's quickly connect it with the Hey Cyan application, then we'll see how it works. So here's the Hey Cyan application. I have previously connected it with the other glasses, so I'm gonna disconnect them, and then let's go to connect device, continue, and here we have the DT803. So they are connected now. Here it is showing some of the features. It also has a new update. Let it quickly finish the update process, and then I'll show you how to use them. So the update process has finished. Now let's try out the glasses. So here's the button which is gonna be used for clicking pictures. You can click it once if you want to click a picture, and then click it twice if you want to record a video. So this is how it works like. Here we have the AI image recognition. So let me place something in front of the glasses. Let's go with this watch. Let's try it out. So it has clicked a picture, and here you can see that. Now it's gonna tell me what's in front of me. So if I increase the volume,
likely fabric, e.g. a cloth or carpet.
So this is how it works like. Now let's import the pictures. You'll have to tap on this import button. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on because it needs to connect to a temporary Wi-Fi network in order to download the images and videos. So let's join the network now. Guys, do remember this is quick unboxing and setup. I'm soon gonna be doing a full review of these smart glasses, in which we'll be testing the camera outdoor also to check out the stability and the result in the daylight. So here is a picture I clicked using it, and here is the video. So you can see that it's working quite well. So this is all from today's video. What did you think about them? Let me know in the comments. To purchase them, you can find the purchase links in the description box below, and also I'm going to be testing them very soon on iMAT gadgets. So make sure you subscribe to my main channel, and for the future unboxings, make sure to subscribe to Unbox with iMAT.